What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm gonna be terraforming Venus, so let's begin. Alright, so I'm gonna set the sea level to about 4.04, so this should be good enough. I don't want to add too much to Venus, and I'm also gonna settle down the liquid so that the oceans don't evaporate over time. So yeah, Venus is a little bit crazy. It has a lot of infrared, so the infrared is gonna have to go down to 0 for this, and all of these layers are gonna have to be reduced back to 1 because 215 that's a lot of layers. We want at least one layer. And there you go. So now it's pretty much outside of this whole zone, but we're going to fix that in a second. After you've done that, make sure you go to that albedo over here and set this to 0.28. So 0.28 should be good enough, or 0.27, roughly about this much. So after you change the albedo, make sure you speed up the simulation and just wait a couple seconds for Venus to kind of, get the right temperature in. Alright, so now I'm going to be customizing Venus a little bit more. So Venus has a lot of clouds, that's one thing. So I'm going to just change these to storm clouds. And the clouds are also orange, so I'm going to change them from like an orangey, yellowish color, somewhere like this. If I put this atmosphere on, it's going to completely make the whole planet just go foggy. And I can't change this, this is like a bug, like I said. So you can't change this, so I just disabled the atmosphere completely. Now I'm going to disable the snow and ice just because I just don't like it. Now this looks weird, I know, but I just don't like having the snow and ice on. Now I'm going to add city lights. Obviously you don't have to, but I'm just going to add those city lights just for the fun of it. And I'm also going to change the color to white. I'm also going to add a little bit of vegetation. So I'm going to change this to always on, and as you can see it's always green. But I'm going to change the vegetation to be a little bit more of an orangey, maroon color, something like this, a little bit of green and yellowish. Yeah, okay, I'm going to leave it like this. I'm also going to add a little bit of detail to the terrain, so it makes it look a little bit more realistic. Alright, so this is how Venus looks like. It's not the best. It could definitely use work. It definitely, like, Mercury looks a lot more better than Venus, but I can't really do much because the atmosphere is bugged. And I'll have to completely replace the planet with random rock and put in all these units. But this is the way it kind of ended up. I'm just going to leave it like this. I'm not going to do any more to it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell, like the video, share the video, and I'll see you next video. Peace.